Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. If you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. Stay tuned. We got a lot more for you in this episode. Thanks for watching. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Saturday. It is March 22nd. So it's about 10:30. We've been rocking over here on the Apache. Wanted to bring that to you, show you what we got. Should be a pretty good day here. The floor dried from yesterday where we did the pour 15 on it. So we're looking pretty there. Now Big Ron has been working up here. He got this bracket in. I don't know if you can even see it there, but this bracket is sitting here, but it's back in the hole, which is good. So we're gonna figure out a way to tack this bracket on. And then from there, all right, air compressor. He's cleaned up this panel. This will be the first panel to go in. So we're gonna use weldable primer and get that ready to go. And then that panel is gonna go in one way or another. And we're gonna get that in today, and that's what you're gonna be watching. So today, our main and first goal for the day is to get that patch panel in with this bracket welded in, okay? That's step one, to have this windshield channel right all the way across here and this to look correct. If we get through that quickly, which could happen, it could not, depends, then we will start to attack this back patch panel, this big piece that goes here, that's got the hole in it for the visor on both sides and so on and so forth. So that's where we're at. That's what you can expect to see in this video today, hopefully, and if nothing crazy happens, and we'll go from there. So hang in there, guys. We're gonna keep rocking on this thing. We're gonna stop talking and start working. Things out there looking all good. Gosh, it's pretty. But I'll be with you here shortly, guys. Stay tuned. Just hitting it a little bit.
Yeah. Just on that edge.
The weldable primer.
Yeah, I wanted it to. Not ready.
Getting her ready for the patch panel, boys. Big Ron was kind enough to throw some things down so he didn't mess up my floor. Appreciate you.
That'll give us what we need here. Good. Just enough to attack this flat.
Alright, boys, we're moving on to the next step. We'll be right back.
We're real fucking close there. You good with it?
Yeah, you're good with that.
And I'm thinking about when I weld it here, I weld it here and here and through here. Gotta pull this out. Yeah. Once I weld that in, we're still letting primer dry a little bit.
Okay guys, here's where we're at. This piece is fitting in here pretty good. Pretty good here. Put some focus.
Gotta pull it out a little bit because it's
There we go. We got a little bit of work to do, but not bad. Not bad, boys. So we're looking good. This piece is 80% in. We got a little bit of work to do, but this bracket's now tacked in.
oh yeah.
We're rolling. So feeling really good about this. This is how this looks up here. It comes down, and when we spot weld, it'll boom. And we'll probably put a bunch of Cleco clips and stuff in it, I'd imagine, before it's all said and done. But
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what I could get up here to actually clamp it. We'll figure it out.
that's where we're at, boys. Stay tuned. A lot more coming. I'll bring this to you. I had to step out for a sec, but now we're back, and I'll get all this on video for you.
And it's tight, right?
And it's tight up there. Looking good, guys. We'll be right back. Hey, boys. Welcome back. We got a package. Now, it's not the rear window seal. No. But we did just talk to the post office guy again, and he said most packages that guys are sending are taking over a month to get where they're supposed to go. So, yeah, there's still hope, right? But Uncle Billy Bob, I'm going to hide your address. There it is. Our corner marker lights are here for the 1973 Volkswagen thing. These come from our subscriber, Uncle Billy Bob, who's been instrumental in the success of this car. Let's open it up, see what we got. I can't thank you enough, Uncle Billy Bob. I really can't. Rubber seal, perfect. There we go. There we go, boys. This is what we needed. So, the problem we have, and actually it'll be easier on this one. On the aftermarket Chinese ones, this here is not recessed as much as this. Therefore, when you push this down and you bolt it down here, and here, what it does is it crimps this wire and cuts it off. Creates a dead short. So, we're wiring. We got the right everything. Uncle Billy Bob, you're the freaking man. Thank you so much. This is gonna work great. Actually, my tops might actually work on this. We'll try that too. So, hey buddy, thank you so much. Love you, ma'am. And we're gonna get back on the Apache. Appreciate it. Okay guys, all right, so we've been playing with this and we got a lot better. So we're pretty happy with, well, let's see if the camera will do its thing. Anyway, we're pretty happy with this. It's got a good line across it now. When I say line, I mean right here. Let me take you over here. This is a lot closer now. Right through here and up in here. Just a whole lot closer. Now, inside the truck, we're pretty much dead nuts. We just got to push that up. These are all looking really good. So, same as over there. So I think we're close. I think what we're going to do now is spot weld these two panels together. I think they're both going to stay in. We'll go across that windshield lip and get this all welded in, and then we'll start working the edges and getting everything where it needs to go. So we're close. Figure on dialing a couple little things in, and then we're going to start welding here. So stay tuned. Here's the welder we're using. It's a Hobart Handler 210 MVP. It's a 115 to 230 volt wire fed welder. 25 to 210 amp output. It's great, works awesome. Got it from Royal King. So I think it was like 900 something bucks back in the day, like a year, 2 years ago, I guess. So definitely a good welder. If you guys are looking for one to use in your garage, it'd be perfect. But yeah, guys, we should have this in here shortly. So stay tuned. I'll bring it all to you in a minute. As soon as he starts going, I'll be filming. Okay, guys, so Ron's using his punch. We're going across this lip, putting some holes in it so we can spot weld. Maybe. There we go.
Tight in some places,
Yeah.
but it'll work.
Did it go through?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll get better if we put one right there what we did. Well, I shouldn't have done it, but we're good.
You don't need them every inch.
You need quite a few.
Awesome.
Right, there you go. How close am I to that one?
Pretty close.
Hopefully we'll get better if we go up.
I think you're too close, dude. You're an inch away from that one. Gotta go that way a little bit.
Yeah, but they can't be here and here and here. They look at how they weld these things on. You gotta have enough to hold it. That wasn't bad, was it? Just that far enough away.
Yeah. You're good, Mom. That's better.
But we're getting more.
Hey, Mom. You grab me the.
Good. I'm going to put one right here because that's the screw hole.
Huh?
Enough to hold it in, wouldn't you? Come on in. Is there?
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Ah, we're having fun now.
I can take it down the block.
Let's try this.
Get this panel in. Alright, boys, so there you go. Alright, guys. So we are clamped, screwed, and all the things. We're ready. So now we're going to start right here. And we're going to spot weld right there on the other side. And this is a view from inside the truck. I'm kind of sitting here on the floor. But it was kind of a cool view with all the vice grips hanging. I thought you guys would appreciate it. So this is going to start going in here literally in the next 5 minutes. So stay tuned. Have a lot more for you here soon. guys, welcome back. So we got the spot welds for the most part done across the bottom here on the pinch weld. Now we're going to start doing the top here. So we got it screwed in here. You can see how we did this to pull it tight. Ron's going to start probably in the middle, work his way this way, and then go back that way. So he's getting set up. But that's what we're doing here. And we'll be right back. Show you how this looks inside. Inner panels in as well. We still got to weld them up, but they're coming together, boys. Stay tuned. Lots of things happening over here, guys. Okay guys, so quick update. We are welded across here, we're welded here, there. Now the next step in this is inside here. We're a little tight right here. We're gonna take a blade with the blade's width, and give us a little extra room there. And then that one should be getting welded in here shortly. So that's what we got, guys. We're gonna be working right here. I'll bring it all to you. guys, welcome back to Brown's Rock and Custom. It's gonna be your outro for tonight. Happy Saturday, by the way. So I think I figured out the problem with my phone. So I got an external hard drive, so I'm gonna dump all my photos and videos onto that, and that should get to where I can put shorts and stuff up a little better than what I'm doing. So stay tuned for that. Now, check out where we got here, and I think you guys saw a lot of this. But we're to here. We did get this cut out. We did get this welded here. This side we still have to do. But I mean, look at that. I mean, it's dead nuts. This just, you know, you just pull it. And there it is. Now here, we got everything welded up all the way across. Now what we do have to do still is grind it all down. And we've got pieces we got to put in and patches and this and the other, but for the most part it is where it's going to be. So we're rolling. Tomorrow we'll be right back on this. We'll have this completely welded up and hopefully ground down tomorrow, and we'll be working on that patch there. Probably get it poured tomorrow and then let it dry, and then we'll make that piece and have it ready to go for Monday morning and get that in and so on and so forth. But the Apache's coming along. We're quickly buttoning up the rust issue with this truck and this cab, and should be in a good place. Now, tomorrow I might put the filler cap patch panel in too, just because we're over there and I've got the welder over here and all the things. I might just go ahead and do that. Show you this guy. I have that patch panel. Might as well just go ahead and get that in and get past that. So things are happening. Things are happening, boys. Like I said before, we did get the package from Uncle Billy Bob today. The corner marker lights for the thing. I'm going to try to get them on in the next couple weeks, and I'd like to get them on the next couple days and get that taken care of. But we'll see where everything goes. A lot of things happening this week, and just, you know, in general, where we're just getting pulled in 1,000 different directions. But we're still trying to make progress and get things done, and I think we're doing a pretty decent job of it so far. So there's that. Show you your daily Volkswagen thing content. She looks so good in the sun, just so good. The red just pops. I gotta clean it too, it's dirty. Look at that thing. Friggin' awesome. I love this car. But anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys with this. We're still waiting on our rear window seal, but we do have a tail light coming for the Chrysler, so that's exciting. So hopefully sooner than later we'll have some parts showing up, and we'll start putting those on the cars too. So lots more to come. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow morning.